Hi guys, welcome to this episode of Getting Started with MongoDB. MongoDB is basically a NoSQL database that stores data in form of JSON objects. And by JSON I mean the JavaScript object notation. One of the reasons why MongoDB is highly preferred is because of its scalability. It's more scalable as compared to the relational databases. So without wasting much time, let's get started. To get started, we jump into our browser and type mongodb.com. Okay, here we are. Then we search for download. Okay. Then we go to the download center to download MongoDB. In this case we are going to use the enterprise server, and we choose download the .msi file. Okay, download it. Okay, I already did that. So once it's downloaded, let's go to our downloads. Let's go to our downloads. Okay, then we search for mongodb.msi file. Okay, then we run the .msi file, which I already did. Once you run it, make sure that you put it in the C folder for easy access. I already did that. Okay, once you've done that, jump straight into your command prompt, run it as an admin. Okay, here we are. Okay, now we are going to navigate to the MongoDB. Okay, cd MongoDB. Fine, then we navigate to the bin folder, cd bin. Okay, now we are going to navigate. Okay, we're going to start Mongo services. And to do that, we're going to use net start MongoDB. The requested service has already been started. Okay, then we now navigate to the shell by typing mongo. Ooh, pretty cool, we're now in the shell. Okay, now we want to clear the screen, type cls, clear the screen. Okay, fine. We want to see a list of databases, the databases which are available by default. Okay, to do that, show DBs. So we have a list of databases. We want to create a new database. To do that, use Edwin. We want to create a new database, Edwin. We switched to DB Edwin. Fine. If we go to DB, it's showing that we're using Edwin, which is pretty cool. Now we want to add a table in database Edwin, and to do that we are going to use db.create collection. db.create collection. Very keen about the syntax, about the syntax product. Close the brackets. One item has been added, which is pretty cool. Okay, now we want to create a user. db.create user. Okay, do this for easy visibility. I'm going to use Notepad. I navigate to Notepad. We're creating a user. Okay, Notepad. Okay, so I'm going to use db.create user. Brackets. Okay, and the curly brackets. Close the curly brackets. Then we're going to have the user. Users Edwin. We're going to also have the password. pwd passworders. Okay, we are going to add some roles, and the roles should be in an array format. The roles should be in an array format, and we are going to add the read write. Okay, on the DB as an admin. Okay. And that. Okay. Now we are going to copy this. Copy and paste. db.create and okay, got exception missing after property ID. Sorry for that. Okay, let me check. Roles read write. Okay, db.create user. Okay, roles. Okay, we have full colon here. Okay, copy and paste, enter. Successfully added user Edwin roles read and write. Pretty cool. Now we are going to insert data to table Edwin, which we've just created through table products, which we've just created. So to do that, we are going to add data. So to do that, db or db dot Edwin dot db dot Edwin dot insert, open the brackets, open the query. This is the first underscore name, full colon, Joel. Okay, we have the last underscore name, full colon, Uchi. Okay, close and close. Okay, right result inserted 1. Okay, we have one document that has been inserted. So to check the inserted document, we just use the db dot or db dot Edwin dot find, and we can see we have just added a user called Joel Ochi. Pretty cool. For easy visibility purposes, you can use db.edwin dot find dot pretty. Okay, boom. db.edwin dot find dot pretty db dot okay db let me check db dot Edwin dot find dot pretty. Okay, db dot Edwin dot find dot pretty db dot Edwin dot okay, I can see. Let's clear the screen. db dot Edwin dot find dot pretty. Okay, now we can see the viewership has changed. and is now a better view than the previous one, which is pretty cool. Now in the next episode we are going to see how to update and increment values in MongoDB. Stay tuned.